What's up, guys? I got a little quickie here for you. As you can see, we had some snow, so it's nice to have a clean driveway. And what better to do it with than a snow blower if you don't have a plow. So today I'm just going over some general maintenance. I'm changing the oil, so I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so I already started this, but I drained the oil, and there's your drain plug, and I made this little furrow so it doesn't leak all over the floor. And we'll just wait till that drains out, and then we'll fill it up. And on some engines, you might see extra drain plug. That's it's just another drain plug, depending on where the engine's situated. But you can drain it from there too, depending how the engine's mounted. All right, looks like the last bit's glugging out of there, so let's get our drain plug back on, because you don't want to start putting new oil in and forget to put the plug back on. Give it a little turn, and you don't want to go crazy, but just so enough it don't leak. And now we can put our oil in. We got some 5W30 here, and that's what it calls for, so we'll go right ahead and put some in here. All right, I let that settle for a second. Let's check. I don't know if you could see it. Turn it on. Get it there. Give it a couple of primers. So there you have it, guys. That's really how simple it is. And if you do the general maintenance on your equipment, it'll last you a lot longer. So, see you soon. Why am I so shiny? Wow. Later.